Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Good. Yeah, maybe I do one more short session here, get some things done. Yeah, there were two big meetings this weekend. One, the programmer meeting, where we agreed on some things and maybe didn't come to conclusions on some other things. And today there was a handover kickoff for texture fixes, which was progressed quite nicely on Super Patch. Maybe Zicke and Lima can finalize this quite nicely, together with many fixes for the models. Okay, so what do we want to do now? There are two things. I think we should move the LZHL and the other, the two libraries move from my space to SuperHacker. Let me see. So here's organization. Let me see. Here. Pull requests. So we need to go in here and I think we should look in here. Let me see. CMake list. The name is visible as time.sln, I think. SLN. Okay, so here we have LZHL and zlib. LZHL and zlib. So let's go to LZHL. Yeah. The title confirms that it is version 1.0. All good. Zlib. Zlib. Name of this, so it is clean. Yeah, let me do the moving. Let's see. So so how do we do that? So it's this one and this one. So yeah, how do we move? GitHub, move repository. Settings, transfer, okay. Let's start with this one. Settings. Danger zone, transfer. Okay, minus 1.0. Okay. Let me hide my screen real quick. Huh? Try again. Okay, that is moved. I will now move the other one as well. Let me get back the screen. Okay, it's transferred. Let's review. Okay, let's see. Okay. Then oh, we already have one over. Okay, so this one is moved. The new link is super hackers zlib that. Okay, and then the other one was this one. This one. Edit. The repo has been moved to that. Okay, anything else? Let me take some additional notes that I sent to OmniBlade earlier, just to remind them. So we go to here. I suggest make this one browser dispatch win compression, game engine device. I suggest make targets lowercase. Like all the others. Like the rest of them. Okay, anything else? Oof. Oof, what is this here? Can we perhaps build, how about we build generals and 0 hour into 2 different folders. The generals plus tools and 0 hour plus tools into 2 different folders. Is this possible? Generals plus with targets of generals and tools, and tools into 2 different folders. Is this possible? How about create a 1x1 white pixel white instead final. This is what I have done with the tools. Perhaps create a dummy TLB file instead. This one belongs to source, to SRC part of this list. Add a comment before this to explain why this is done, please. Alex and General Camo advocated to not add unnecessary comments. So let us remove this and the above. We only add comments where we explain complicated matters, and then use the super hackers tag to clarify that this comment comes from us. this day author keywords. Maybe explain interesting / complicated matters, and then use to clarify that this comment comes from us. Windows Defender says virus detected. Unwindows defend. If this is original behavior, then this is correct. Basically, should behave like 1.04. Did you? Eight hours ago. Ah. Yeah. Ugh. Oh, this is an original file. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, I think I will just leave that review for now. This one. Let's put that here, comments. Okay. Submit review. Okay. I think this is good. Maybe this ZH 1.04 is from before that first Steam release. Okay, so we got this one covered. I trust that OmniBlade will continue this effort and finalize it. We have added a bunch of comments to help him sort out things. Once he has a few more things, and we can have another look. Yeah. Good. How about we take a look at the compile error? So the most prevalent compile error is there are multiple things. But the most one is this one here. Native C header stdlib.h. Oof. Oof. What is this? Why can I not jump to this thing? What is this? Huh? What is this? Make header. Oof. 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 I don't even know if it will be possible to build against STL ports or not. I can try, but currently I have no idea what the hell this thing is. STLP native C header. Oof. There's one more thing. Tools. Perhaps we enable the tools by default. Or make a preset where they are enabled. Okay. Good. So what do we do? Already forgot what I wanted to do. How about we check? Right, I wanted to check the compiler errors. There we go. Yeah. STL port. So there's a mass.h and it's a strange. Why can I not jump to that thing? Hold on. If we open some, let's open. Oof. Game engine. Can I jump to the symbol? Yes, I can. Okay. Then why can I not jump to this symbol here? I don't understand. Good. So this expands to going one folder up and then include. Man. Go to declaration. Include the header. Okay, this one is compiled out. Okay. This one is compiled, and 2 levels of macros do not work good with KCC. Let's ask here. Man, so much spam here. I do wonder, is it in principle possible to use STL ports with a modern compiler, or do we expect big problems? Right now I see big compile errors. I'm not sure what is going on. Okay, so basically I would try to like make it compile with the modern Visual Studio without changing too much. So I mean, the natural step would be here to eliminate STL port, right? Get rid of it. But maybe we can make it work, but I just don't know how to start on this. We get a nice compile error that it cannot find this file. Yeah, it's not very promising. Let's go to the first error. Let's see. What is the first error? Okay, there's a warning. Huh. Shift count negative or too big, undefined behavior. Oof. Oof. Huh. I think this is wrong because it needs to do long. No, hold on. It first needs long cast. Let's do a static cast. Static cast. Long. There we go. Oof. It applied formatting. Tools, options. Text editor. Formatting. Can we like reset these settings to the default? I made so many changes to this over time and I have no idea what the right or wrong settings are. Every time I look at this, it's just a nightmare. Okay, what happens now? Still formatting. How can we prevent this formatting? Still formatting. I think it happens because we saved the file. Okay, text editor. Text key. I think there's something with keys. Key. Keyboard. Okay. Save. Save documents. Documents. Save. File save all. Format. Okay, so currently it always formats on save, right? And we don't want that. Visual Studio 2022, disable format on save. Man, this dialogue looks like it's from the 90s. Jesus Christ. Yeah, formatting general. Yeah. Still changing the formats. Power. What? Format documents. Power commands. Power. Power commands. No. Clang format. I'm not sure where the formatting comes from. What you can do is you can try to disable everything here. This one, this one. Let's see what happens. Still formats. Man. How do we disable formatting in Visual Studio? Let's ask our friend ChatGPT. When I save a file in Visual Studio 2022, it formats it formats the file texts. How do we prevent that? Global setting. Format and save. Where is it? Format on save. Doesn't exist. Tools, options. Text editor. Your language, code style, formatting. Yeah, I'm there. Look for general settings and uncheck format on save. It doesn't exist. Could it be that it comes from somewhere else? Okay, so this is how we had it before. Could it be that perhaps Visual Assist does something here? Format after paste. Format after paste. Is there no format on save here? Format on save, no. 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 Why is it? It would be nice if there was like a diagnostic where you could see like why it's doing this. Like who is triggering this? It's a black box. I don't know who triggers this. Like it's weird. Like even when I disable Clang format, it still will apply formatting. I don't understand how that is possible. It's disabled. We disable it, but it still formats. Man, that's some bitch. That's some bitch. There's no Clang format here. I thought that there's a format on save. Ah, ha, 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 ha. There we go. Oh, we got rid of it. Cool, cool. Let's go once more in C++. Okay, so nothing. Yeah. So if we now, let's just type something here, void function. Yeah. Yeah, I think that looked good to me. Let's do CMake build 2. So basically we have that changed, yeah. Okay, that's good. Then good. So here we have this one, a minus long. Oof. Plus that, minus that. Here we have dword. Well, here they use ccast, so how about we use the ccast here as well? Yeah. Okay, but that was just a warning. Let's see what else we have here. IO stream. It's not found. Huh. IO stream is not found. Why not? IO stream. I think it's just IO stream, right? Debug IO interface. Int assumed. Oh, what is missing here? Debug IO interface. It's the same. It's this copy constructor. What's the problem? Huh? I don't see the problem here right now. Should be fine. Oof. Static major, int assumed. What is that? Why is this complaining? Oh, it doesn't have a type. Huh. Int assumed. Does not support default int. That's interesting. So where's this used? Can we see it? It's used as integer. Yeah. Okay, well then we put integer here. So what's the problem here? I don't see it. Let's revisit it later. Okay, what is this? CTL 3D. Oof. What is that? CTL 3D. Win CTL 3. CTL. Maybe it refers to that. Win CTRL 3. Yeah, we just tried IO stream. Let's search for all IO streams. Huh. Okay. That seems to be done. Okay, what else do we have? I see. Okay. The hell is that? It's because it doesn't return anything, right? It needs to return a reference, right? Yeah, I think so. Same type qualifier. Okay. IO stream. Okay, let's rebuild again. Let's see where we are. All right. Good points. I want to try get it to compile with least amount of changes. So we'll try to keep STL ports Yeah, I don't understand this here. I do not yet understand this compile error. Something. So it looks one folder up and then an include. One folder up. In what file are we? So let's look where this lives. Open container. There we go. So it looks one folder up and then include. Yeah, and that doesn't exist. It's weird that here we are already inside a mass.h. So why would it look into another mass.h? Ah, so it's looking for the original mass. So if we look for mass, it wants to go to this one here, right? How do we tell it to? So if we look at Visual Studio, at the old one, so this mass.h is inside an include folder. Maybe that's why it works somehow. Yeah. I do not yet understand how to fix where STL port looks for the standard headers. It cannot find them. Maybe there will be a simple solution to this, but I don't know right now how that would be. So it is hard coded here that it does this kind of thing. Are there multiple ones maybe of this here? Hold on. MSVC. Yeah, we're probably looking at this one here, right? Hmm. 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 So this mass.h, it's in a folder called uCRT. Here it is looking in a CRT. It was close enough. Hmm. 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 Yeah, so it's probably, it wants to look here, but it can't find it. Hmm. Hmm. How about we open time? Hold on. Visual Studio 2022. There we go. So we're looking for STL MSVC. See if it looks the same there. STL MSVC. Yeah, it looks the same. I do wonder, do we do anything special with how CMake is using STL port here? Let's see where STL port is referenced. Oh, uh-huh. Let's see if it's referenced in any CMake. Before private. SIM use STL port. Yeah, I think this is more a question that OmniBlade could answer. I don't know. It's yeah. I mean, it works in SIM, so there must be a solution to this. Yeah. There must be a solution. By the way, I already handed the VS6 compile to the testers here, and they tested. What did they say? Yeah, they made a match and they were able to play against each other, so that's good. Is this with FPU preserve? I don't know. I just went with what is set up by the OmniBlade, so I don't really know. Yeah, how do we get this to run? I mean, hash map, unordered map. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure how this is being done. Curious how can we find out what the difference is between time and this one? I'm not sure. Depth SDL ports. Use 30-bit time T. So this seems to be also incorrect. Let's see. We touched a bunch. Didn't we touch that when CTRL? Huh, maybe not. Win CTRL. Max. Oh. That's in a third-party library. Okay. Okay, how about we don't compile the tools for starters. Yes, but then we need to add them above a lot of functions. Not sure if it is worth it. I do not think it is worth it where we change compile errors and similar, but we probably want comments where we change logic issues and more complicated things. I don't. In this change, maybe perhaps it is not worth it where we change compile errors and similar, but we probably want comments where we change logic issues and more complicated things. We did not really make a decision on it. For me, it is fine either way. I will put comments where I make bigger changes that want to be accommodated by a little bit of text. To help understand. Bits of text to help understand. In our meeting. Perhaps we enable tools by default or make a preset where they are enabled. The rest thing is much less interest from people. That's a good point, yeah. World builder makes sense, yeah. Okay, I don't know how to fix this thing yet here, but maybe we can fix some other things for the next 20 minutes or so. Make a bit of progress. Good, let's see. Yeah, this include madness is pretty mad. Let's go here. Current, core. Okay, it's that one. There we go. K, oof. K, current. All right, there we go. All right. Where's K coming from? Here. Still wrong. Why? Member function. Hä? Hold on. The constructor doesn't return a reference. That's stupid. What's the problem here? Const. Needs to be here. Jesus Christ. Oh boy. Yeah. Weird that this compiled back in the day. Huh. Wow. Okay. Oof. Int. What is the problem here? Conversion from unsigned int to int. Oof. Huh? Why is this unsigned then? Huh? Who decided that this is unsigned? It's not a U here. Huh? Huh? Conversion from unsigned int to int. But it doesn't look like integer. Unsigned integer. Huh? Huh. Conversion to int requires a narrowing conversion. But it should be integer already. Why is this complaining? So it is integer here. Huh. C++ mark integer as signed. C++ signed integer suffix. Integer literal. D. A. Int. Okay, so U is unsigned, LL long. Can we like explicitly say that something is no suffix? Yeah, if it's no suffix, I assume it's an integer, but then why is it complaining here? Huh? Why is there like a U somewhere? I'm not seeing it. I don't see it. It's not complaining about all of them, just some, right? Yeah. It's complaining about some of them. I think all that are above 7 FFF are treated as, yeah. So what I see here, it looks like they have one too many zeros here at the front, right? So to me, it looks like this one should be gone. This one as well. Let's see. Okay, so maybe this will not complain anymore. Let's try that. Maybe that's already good enough. I don't know. Could be. Maybe not. I suspect not. I suspect it assumes it's unsigned because it's larger than yeah, because otherwise it would have to be a negative number, right? Aha. There's no way to So I think the way to fix it, it actually has to be explicitly casted here. I think. Like that. And then I will be gone. Because there's no suffix where we can say it's signed, right? There's L, which is a long int. Yeah. Oops. There's no, like, it would be nice if there was like an S or like a D, where D works because of the, yeah. I mean, L is not the right thing. L is long. Yeah, so I think we have to do it this way. Good. What else do we have here? Okay, yeah, the most errors are here from this thing. Yeah. Okay, here another one of these. Default argument cannot convert from const char to char. Oof. Ah, needs to be const. Oops. Const char. Okay, this one should be fixed now. Okay, let's try again. Do a diff between SIME SDL port and the original to show what I changed, include wise. Okay. Okay, so for this session, let's just fix all the things that are not STL port, and then next session we figure out what to do with the STL port. I think that's fair. With the formatting here, I already see problems. It's really inconvenient when there are 2 space indentations as opposed to 4. So that's not nice. Printf. Not enough arguments passed. Oof. No? Why not? fprintf. I'm not sure why it's complaining. Not enough arguments passed. Ah, because of the other compiler. Oh, I see. Okay, well, this is simple enough to fix. Huh? Huh, that's interesting. So this one needs to do this. Yeah, let's try one more time. My gosh. Okay. Looks like we fixed everything that popped up here. In that regard, yeah. Yeah, okay. Then next session we will try to sort out the STL problem, try to get it to compile. Yeah. Okay, good. I think that was 1 hour 40 session. I think that's good enough for now. Good. Yeah, it was a busy day for me. We got a bit of stuff done. Yeah, there's more stuff to do. There's way too much stuff to do. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So to me, it looks like the rule here for this code base is an indentation of 2. Indentation. Can we set the level? Yeah. Visual Studio 2022 indentation spacing. Editor config. Let's ask ChatGPT. Here you already proposed this editor config.file. Let's add this thing. Editor config. edit. Let's put how do I set indent size for specific files? How do we set indent size for specific files? So do star dot h, do how do we set indent style for tabs? I guess it's just tab. Tab, okay. So it's tab, indent size 2. Then we do for .cpp and .enl. And then let's see if that works. So basically, if I, okay, that doesn't work yet. Let's restart the solution. Let's see. Oof, what happened there? Now that works. Okay. Oof, but it does now that. Oof. Can we also tell it to use spaces when the file predominantly uses space indentation, otherwise tabs? Unset. Okay, let's try that. Unset. Can we add a comment? Can we also add comments to .editor config? Yes. Okay. Okay. Where is it? Yeah. Unset use spaces or tabs depending on context. Okay, let's try that. Okay, let's see. We press enter and it, yeah, looks good. Okay, that looks good. And now if we have a different file, like let's say we open this file which has tabs, yeah, and then let's say we add a new line here, and now we type this. That works well as well. Okay, that's good. I think with that we can work. And now with the two space tabs, it's also not that unholy anymore, right? It looks quite dense though, the code. Oof. Yeah. It looks quite dense. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but this looks to me like the way they had this used with two space tabs. Yeah. This would take a bit of time getting used to. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's okay. Okay, good. Then I will take a break here. I hope you enjoyed. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye. And by the way, I'm sorry if you hate light mode, but that's just the way the top programmers work. light mode, no? Oh, do you disagree? I get a lot of comments in the section, comments in the comment section that they don't appreciate the light colors here. Yeah, well, it's the way it's supposed to be. Light colors. I actually don't know if Visual Studio has dark colors. Maybe it does. I don't know. I've never seen it. Probably does. Yeah, must be. Yeah, I've always used it in white. Yeah, always. Good. Yeah, I think we made some progress. That's good. Then I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.